You've got a powerful app idea, something that could transform your business, streamline operations, or even launch a new venture. But building it? That's where most people get stuck. Hiring developers, managing timelines, understanding the tech. It's overwhelming. What if you could skip all of that and still get your app built by an elite team of experts? At Diamond AI Media Group, we partnered with Softborn Technology Solutions, an award-winning development firm trusted by global luxury car brands and many more. Together, we offer a done-for-you service that takes your app idea from concept to launch without you writing a single line of code. Here's what's included: strategy and solution architecture, UI and UX design with interactive prototypes, web, iOS and Android development, back-end systems, automation, and integrations, agile weekly sprints with full transparency, deployment and post-launch support. This is perfect for entrepreneurs with SaaS ideas, agencies needing internal tools, consultants turning their method into software, or businesses needing custom portals, booking tools, or operational apps. If you can describe the problem, we can build the solution. And our 5-step process, it's simple. Step 1, discovery call. Clarify your vision. Step 2, prototyping. Visualize the experience. Step 3, sprint planning. Set the roadmap. Step 4, development. Build, test, refine. Step 5, launch. Go live and get support. From day 1 to version 1, we're with you every step. Now, that same elite team building for global enterprises is ready to build for you at a fraction of the in-house cost. Let's talk. No tech skills needed, no pressure, just a smart first step towards bringing your idea to life. Click the link below to book your free discovery call today.